They're literally on fire. And oh my god! No! Oh my. Hi everyone, I'm Skyler.
And I'm Katie.
And welcome to Food Fiends. Today we'll be making boba.
Okay guys, so our ingredients consist of black tapioca pearl. This will be our boba. And we just have raw honey, organic. And we have black tea bags. We have our chai tea bags. More boba. And almond milk. Healthy.
So our first step is going to be boiling the tea. We're going to take about 3 cups of water to 5 tea bags. So this will create an extra strong brew so the flavor doesn't get lost in the milk. We're going to do a combination of black tea and chai tea. We're going to do 3 chai and 2 black.
So now we're going to boil the tea on high until it boils, obviously. And then wait 5 minutes after the water is boiling before we put on our milk.
They're literally on fire.
And
oh my god! No! Oh my god! Wait. Fails! Stop it! Oh my god! We did not think that one through. We're gonna let it boil, girls. 240. Okay, so now we'll set our timer for 5 minutes and then let the tea boil. So now I'll be making the boba. So basically we're gonna have 10 cups of water to every 1 ounce of boba. Reassurance. Clink, clink. Oh my god! No! Shoot.
okay, 7.
Okay, so now we're gonna have our boba simmer over the stove for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna have it on high heat for another 2 to 3 minutes until the boba floats. Okay, so now our boba has been boiling and it is floating. Yay!
So now we're going to set the timer for 3 minutes to let the boba cool.
We keep a clean kitchen here.
So we'll be using these martini glasses for our boba teenies because I lack no more glasses.
So we're going to start by adding about half a cup, like fill your cup halfway with tea. And then you're gonna fill the other half with milk, and we're gonna add a little bit of honey in. And then we'll add our boba. Okay, so now for everyone's favorite part, we're gonna be adding a scoop or 2 of our homemade boba to it.
Boba-teenies. Thanks guys, and tune in next week for our fall special.